Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply log in on Afterpay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up the Afterpay app on your phone. Right on top you will find this option of login and create new account. We're going to tap on login since we already have an account, and we're going to simply tap on this option of email or mobile number, which one you prefer to open your account with. Once you've added that, you're going to simply add in your password right over here. Now we do have two other options to help you out as well, which is I don't know my password in case you have forgotten, or I don't have an account to create new one. Tap on I don't know my password, and you're going to enter your email or your email, and then tap on this this little icon. Once you've added that, you will get a reset email on your Gmail inbox. Go ahead, open it up and reset your email and reset your password. Paste your code, reset your new password, confirm it, and you're good to go. You will be able to sign in. So that's how easy it is. It basically takes for you to provide the legitimate information of both, and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.